girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the fool, but I love me a bitch. He on my dick and she my little secret. Tryna dish me, know about peeping. I can't respond with this boy as you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shit for one bean. I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the boom, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hill, I chill my children. The big in the business, the big in the office. I fuck around and found me a strand and I thought up. They talking my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave with 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my car. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life.
Let's play a little just between you and I. I'll be honest. Gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my battle be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise.
and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous curly unit. Today we have a beautiful water wave unit, and I know you guys are like, you already done? Yeah, this unit was so quick and easy to apply, and I absolutely love that. So if you're one of those people that just want something that you can literally put on and go out the door, this is definitely going to be the perfect unit for you, because obviously you don't have to worry about styling it because it's already curly. It's not like you have to, because you know, like when you have straight hair, even if you like wake up in the morning and you know it's already installed, you still have to like freshen it up a little bit. You'll still have to like flat iron it out. If you have curls, you have to refresh the curls. Even if it's wand curls, like you still have to do something extra to it. And that's one of the reasons why I personally prefer curly units, because it's a lot easier to just put it on and go. Curly units are definitely my personal everyday unit. I literally wear a curly unit every single day, like every day. I normally like closure units because they're even easier to put on, but this one was a little bit different, and I'm sure you guys noticed that this unit is actually taped down on the sides. They have like this like adhesive tape that's on the unit. Pull the blue piece off. It's like a little piece of blue paper. Pull that part off, and then there's just like these clear adhesive tape like on the lace. This install took me like literally a minute to do. I think this is hands down probably one of my quickest installs I've ever done, and I really do appreciate that, because they do everything for you these days. Like if you literally don't know how to do your hair, like they make these units just like boom, put it on, you good to go. Like you don't have to be a professional, you don't have to be, you know, the tastemaker to make it look good. You can literally put this unit on by yourself, save yourself some coin, because I just think it's crazy. Like when it comes to getting your hair done, you have to pay to get your hair done, you have to buy the actual hair, and then you have to like pay for the maintenance on it, because you might want to get it touched up like every few weeks or so, you know what I mean? And then when it comes to these units, like a lot of people don't want to like keep the unit on. I know me personally, like I like when I can just like take it off and put it on when I feel like it, because sometimes, you know, you just want to let your natural hair breathe, or you just don't feel like having it on, because after a while, like when you come home from work or something, like you taking off your shoes, your jacket, your purse, and then you taking your unit and you throwing it in a corner somewhere, tossing it on your bed. Like I be having units all over my house because like, girl, I just be done with it. I just be like, okay, I'm just gonna sit this here, or I'll put it like in my hair bag or something like that. But yeah, so I like the fact that this is something you don't necessarily have to commit to, because if you go pay hundreds of dollars to go get your hair done, and you know what I'm saying, you're gonna keep that unit in for a minute, or at least hope that you can, because otherwise it's a waste of money. And then not only that, you know, when you go to these like hairstylists, you gotta come wash, blow dry, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes they overbook, sometimes they have you sitting there waiting for hours, and you be like, girl, I got things to do today. So something like this is very convenient, especially if you're a mom. Like for all the moms out there, or like the business, like college girlies, like the girls that are just like on the go, you don't have time to do your hair, you like, girl, I gotta get to class, or you might have woke up late for school or something. Like this is the perfect unit to just put on and go. If you're a mom, you have a billion other things to do. The last thing you want to do is be sitting there for an hour or 30 minutes doing your hair. So something like this is perfect for the girls that just need something quick and on the go, and it still looks very put together. You know, it's a perfect vacation unit as well, and it's just a very lightweight unit as well. I love the curl pattern for this one. This is UNICE's water wave texture, and I do have mine in a 24-inch. So if you guys are wondering, this is their 24-inch. If you want to, you can definitely go longer, but I really like the length of this one, which I'm kind of surprised, because y'all know I love a good long unit, like a good 30-inch. Like that's definitely my cup of tea, but I really like the length of this one, and I like that it's full. Like it's not like the thickest thing in the world, like where it's overwhelming, but it's full enough, like from the root all the way down to the ends. When you have certain units, like the ends, they be looking a little crazy, but I like the fact that it's nice and full, like just as much as the top part, you know what I'm saying? And it's just so pretty, like out of the box, y'all. I did not wash this hair, I did not have to bleach the knots. You see what it's giving. The only thing that I did do, I just put a little, you know, makeup on the lace, and I just use this Kiss cream foundation. You guys have been seeing this a lot. This is literally just a cream foundation. Oh, I have it in the color cappuccino, and I really do like this color. So You can get this from your local beauty supply store. You could probably also order it on Amazon. But yeah, if you guys are interested, this is the color. I really have been liking this cream foundation for my units rather than using a spray, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but I used to use like the spray on, like lace tint spray, but I stopped using that because I feel like sometimes it's hard to like wash out, and this is like really easy to wash out, because you guys know sometimes I like sell my units or whatever. So if I do that, I don't want the lace to be stained too much, you know, like, because I might have somebody that buys it and they're lighter than me or they're darker than me, and you just don't want to have that makeup like stuck on there. So I like the fact that this is something that quickly and easily washes out, and it just gives you, you know, a gorgeous look. You know, it looks very natural. I'm loving the parting space on this unit. And speaking of parting space, let me show you guys what that is giving. So this is what this side is giving. So yeah, this is the parting space. You definitely get a lot of it. And then like once you get like here, it does kind of come down a little bit more. So there's that. So it goes back pretty far. Love this. And as you guys saw, I didn't add any baby hairs either because I just didn't feel like it needed it. Like sometimes you don't really need to have the baby hairs. Sometimes the baby hairs be, you know what I'm saying, y'all be letting the baby hairs carry the look, and when the hair is good and the lace is good, like you don't have to do all of that. But I will say that you can see the lace more like when you pull the hair back, you know, and that's more so because I do have makeup on. So, you know, this is lighter, and like all around my forehead, that's where I put my contour. So, and you know, your contour is like always darker than you, like, you know, a couple shades darker. But yeah, so it is a little bit lighter, and you can see a line of demarcation. So that's like the only downside to it. But I will say that I do like this new feature of the tape. I just like the fact that even though it does have the tape on the sides, like when you put this part down, like none of this is adhered. Like all of this is just like, see what I'm saying? I could put my comb like all the way in my unit. Like all of that, like you could put that all in your unit. And yeah, UNICE never seems to disappoint. They always get it right for me personally. I love their company. But anyways, like I said, this is a 24-inch unit. For the density, I would say this is possibly around 180% density. That's typically what I go for when I order any unit. I don't really like going for 150 because 150 is too thin, and then 200% density sometimes is way too thick. And when the thicker it is, the more plucking you have to do. And speaking of plucking, no, I did not have to pluck the hairline or anything on this either. Like I said, it's just done for you. And I showed y'all that because literally it took me like 2 seconds to apply this unit. But anyway, I'm gonna stand up and turn around so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. You guys kind of already saw that when I was sitting down. I am gonna stretch the hair out as well so you guys can see the stretch length. So this is where the hair is hitting. The stretch length is down here. So like belly button's here. Boop. Where it's hitting me on the side, I'll back up some. And turn around. Okay. So y'all can see. Hands down, this is a very gorgeous unit, and I think a lot of you guys are going to like this one. So if you're interested in checking it out yourself, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If there was something that I missed and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNICE Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit because, girl, I'm in love. Like, I love this water wave unit. Once again, let's get an up close look at that texture before we go. I love, love, love it, even down to the ends. It's so bomb. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.